Hello and welcome to Orchid Digitals. In today's world, certificates play a crucial role in acknowledging someone's achievements and accomplishments. Whether it is for a sports event, an academic performance, or any other accomplishment, certificates are a great way to commemorate these moments and make the awardee feel special. And that is why, as an event organizer, it is important to make sure that the certificates you award are not just ordinary, but truly premium looking. At Orchid Digitals, we understand the importance of certificates, and we are here to make sure that your digitally printed certificates stand out from the rest. We take your certificate design, no matter how simple or complex, and reproduce it at an extremely high resolution on our digital printing services. Our standard option is a thick 300 GSM cardstock, but you can also choose from a range of metallic finish papers, including gold and silver finish papers. Additionally, we offer textured papers such as canvas, linen, stucco, and even cloud finish textures to give your certificates that unique, that sophisticated, and that uber premium look. And the best part, we can also incorporate user data like the names of the recipients, their grades, their marks, etc. into your certificate template. Simply share the relevant data in an Excel file and our printing machines will handle the rest. So why wait? Give your event that premium look and feel that it deserves. Get your certificates digitally printed from Orchid. Order now and take your event to the next level. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button.